Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
Ted Mosby.
What is a section drawing? Guess if you don't know.
Drawing of section.
Very good answer. All right, smart ass. Name as many famous architects as you can.
What the hell?
Santiago Calatrava.
Yes, but Santiago Calatrava, he did a horrible mess in my city. Yes.
If you don't know these first three questions, I'm gonna boycott you from our profession. Okay. Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
You? Are you famous? How many subscribers have you got? Are you famous?
Say Hamza Shaikh.
Hamza Shaikh.
We'll edit that so it's just, yeah. Okay, perfect. What's up, guys? We're out here in London. We're at the very beautiful St. Paul's Cathedral because today we're going to be asking the people, the public, some very interesting architecture questions. This video is going to be a speed quiz. We're going to see how quickly they can answer some quite difficult questions for lay people when it comes to architecture. But we're going to see what they think and whether they know the answers. Let's go. It's a quick speed architecture quiz. Only 6 questions, but they got to be fast. Okay, like 10 seconds to answer each one. Okay, ready? And if you don't know the answer, guess. First one, what is a section drawing?
Perspective drawing, like everything's like drawn out of the grids.
Next question, what is an elevation drawing?
I don't know, mate. Something that shows like foundations and stuff.
Good answer, not bad. Okay, the next question is, what is a plan drawing?
It's just like the building that you're about to build, beams and stuff.
Not a bad answer, mate, honestly. Okay, how long does it take to become an architect?
7 years.
Because I said that. I need to stop saying that. What does CAD stand for? C-A-D.
Computer-aided design.
He's very quick to answer that. Might be right, might be wrong. Okay. Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
Rough that one, mate. Nah, no idea, mate.
It's cricket noises here. Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
Say Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. What is a sectional drawing?
I don't know.
Guess.
Like a part of a room, a drawing of a room in a building.
Good answer. Good answer. What is an elevational drawing?
It's like 3-dimensional drawing of a building.
Good answer. Okay. What is a plan drawing?
It's a bird's eye view, so it's a flat, you know, like
Stop helping her.
blue plan. What is it called? Blueprint. You know, like it's literally a bird's eye view of the building, so you know like which way the room is, blah blah, blah, the doors and all that.
Good. Okay. How long does it take to become an architect?
12 years. 12, right?
Huh?
12. 7.
No, you said 12. Okay. What does CAD stand for? C-A-D. Don't say anything.
Chief. No.
I think I say cheese.
No. Computer architectural design.
Computer architecture design.
Nailed that.
Yeah. That's pretty much it. Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
Ted Mosby. Bro, I don't even know names of like Christopher Wren.
Oh, well done.
Say he built St. Paul's. I love St. Paul's. I don't know architects. God.
Very deep answer there.
Ibrahim alayhi salam. He built the Kaaba. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the best architect out there.
No, fair enough. You know what? We get a lot of Western-centric architects out here being named, so yeah,
True.
fair enough. What is a sectional drawing?
A sectional drawing, like a section of a building. So like if you were to cut a building in half, it'd be like the floors maybe, how it looks inside as well.
Okay. What is an elevational drawing?
Elevation, so like just a normal drawing, but with the elevation, so like how the building looks from the outside maybe.
Okay. What is a plan drawing?
Plan is like bird's eye view, like what different areas of the map or site looks like.
He's very confident in these answers. He's very quick to answer them as well. Does he know them? We don't know. How long does it take to become an architect?
Well, you said about what, 7+ years.
Okay, we skipped that one. I already said it. What does CAD stand for? C-A-D.
Computer aided design.
He might be wrong, just saying.
He's not wrong.
Okay.
That's what my dad does.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, name as many famous architects as you can.
What the hell? Zaha Hadid. That's pretty much all I got. No, I can't think of anything else.
Zaha Hadid, good enough. What is a section drawing? Guess if you don't know.
Drawing of section.
Very good answer. All right, smart ass. What is a section drawing?
I'm sticking with this drawing of a section.
Okay, you're right. Well done. What is an elevation drawing? Do not say a drawing of an elevation.
Drawing of the foundation.
Don't copy. Come on. Think about the word elevate or elevations. All right, I'm going to quickly say, do any of these names ring bells, okay?
Yeah.
Norman Foster.
No.
Nope.
Zaha Hadid. You might know Zaha Hadid.
I only recognise the last name, but I'm guessing that's because of that.
Zaha Hadid is a famous architect. She's passed away, but she had a lot of integration into fashion.
Right, okay.
What is a sectional drawing?
Wow, no idea.
Guess.
Sectional drawing, something to divide something.
Close. Okay. What is an elevation drawing?
Sounds, well, I suppose that to make the difference from up and down.
Good answer. Good answer. What is a plan drawing?
Well, it's what you need in order to implement what you want.
How long does it take to become an architect?
It depends on how you measure who is an architect, because someone can have studies and should not be, in essence, an architect.
Her
Just
thinking is too advanced, but I'm going to push you on this to be more literal minded.
Okay.
So to get the qualification to become an architect, how many years of study do you think it takes?
You should have a proper understanding of how the society is developed. I don't think that you should know all the story of the buildings, but you should know what would be the use of this story of that buildings.
So how many years do you think it takes to get that education?
You should be an expert to know, so you should have, 10 years minimum.
Okay, not far off. What does CAD stand for? C-A-D.
College of Architectures of somewhere?
The final one.
Okay.
You might not know this, but just try anyway if you can. Name as many famous architects as you can.
Architects.
I'm curious, if I say these names, do you recognize them? Norman Foster.
Yeah, Norman Foster, yeah, no. Norman Foster.
Zaha Hadid.
Also sounds to me, yeah.
Okay, Thomas Heatherwick.
No, I don't know this.
Santiago Calatrava.
Yes, but Santiago Calatrava, he did a horrible mess in my city. Yes. Because
What did he do?
I'm from the north of Spain, Oviedo. Oviedo has the horrible building ever made by Calatrava, because what happened basically is that Calatrava has he was very famous, and everybody, my city, a lot of people is just basically wannabe. They wanted to show something that it was not real, so they basically developed a building. I'm not going to say my opinion about that building, but it was completely useless. He developed it was like a shell, so it was in theory open. It never worked. And it was in the middle of I thought, okay, an architecture is not also about designing and creating a building. You need to understand what is the context of where the building is going to be, because if not, there is no point of putting a building just for the sake of putting a building there. You need to understand what is there, what should be what is going to do that building for the community that is around. You know what I mean?
Amazing. Honestly, can we just remind people what your job is?
Well, okay, I am a philosopher. Okay. I study philosophy, but I am a program manager in cybersecurity.
Okay, let's hope we get more people like her in the next interviews. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
The first question is, what is a sectional drawing?
I know what a cross-sectional drawing would be, sort of looking at something cut into bits. So I'd guess that a sectional drawing is looking at a bit of architecture from a lateral angle.
Good answer. What is an elevational drawing?
An elevation is to do with how high something is. Really guessing here, but I would say that would be to do with how something sits within a landscape or on the contours of a site.
Good answer. Good answer. Okay, what is a plan drawing?
Plan drawing, I would guess, is an overhead drawing or a sort of schematic drawing.
The next question is, how long does it take to become an architect?
7 years. Can I have another 90 seconds to think about that one?
No. What does CAD stand for? That's C-A-D.
I think CAD stands for very poor values in treating women. But they think.
Wait, I don't get that.
So a CAD is like an old-fashioned word for like someone who's a bit of a rascal.
Oh, I never even knew that.
I know because I'm in a musical comedy act called Bounder and CAD.
Got you.
But so CAD stands for computer assisted design, or maybe drawing.
You're pretty much there. Okay, final one. Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
So Christopher Wren, Bramante, Alberti, a few Italians, Michelangelo, Brunelleschi. I think some British ones. I don't know. Gilbert Scott. Actually, is he American? I'm not even sure. No, sorry. Sorry, think of Norman Foster and his partners. Gilbert Scott was British. At Battersea Power Station, I think. No, I think that's all I got.
Wait, you smashed it. I'll tell you what, many of them I didn't even know of. You got. It seems like you got
Renaissance Italian ones. So
exactly. I don't know many of those, so that's pretty impressive. You've definitely named the most today than anyone else.
Okay, I'm trying to think who are the other famous architects.
Well, I name a few maybe contemporary ones like Zaha Hadid.
Oh yeah, Hadid. The late great, didn't she die a few years ago?
Exactly, yeah, and Santiago Calatrava.
I don't know that one, I'm afraid.
Thomas Heatherwick.
Yes.
He's actually not a trained architect, but he's known in the architectural world.
Funnily enough, I was just catching up with a friend who used to work for Thomas Heatherwick, so I've ashamed myself for.
No, mate, you've done really well. Probably the best one we've had when it comes to the quiz, for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Do I get a prize for winning
The prize is get to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Do I have to get them right?
No.
Okay, good.
But I'm going to ask you that if you don't know the answer, please guess. Okay, the first question is, what is a sectional drawing?
Section of a drawing.
Okay, she's doing that literal thing. Okay, come on. What is a section in a drawing? Come on,
A
guess.
section in a drawing. I don't know.
Okay, what is it? If I say I'm going to do a sectional drawing, just guess. 3, 2, 1, go, guess. Think about the word section.
I don't know. I don't like the pressure.
Okay, no pressure. Okay, we'll move to the next one. What is an elevational drawing?
Something goes up.
Good answer. Okay, next question is, what is a plan drawing?
Something you've thought about.
Not a bad answer again. Fair enough. I don't think there's a right answer, but there are right answers. Yeah.
And I haven't got any of them right.
How long do you think it takes to become an architect?
A good one. 10 years.
Okay. What does CAD stand for? C-A-D.
I don't know.
Yes.
Construction.
Okay.
Architect. D.
Construction, architect.
Demolish.
What?
Demolish.
Demolish. Perfect. Construction, architecture, demolish. I think she's right. And the last one, ready? Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
I don't know. I don't know any.
No problem. Okay. Okay, so the final one is name as many famous architects as you can.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. John Smith.
John Smith! You know what? There probably is a John Smith somewhere, someplace. Well done.
I should have said Joe Bloggs.
Joe Bloggs. Priyank, your turn, mate. If you don't know these first 3 questions, I'm gonna boycott you from our profession. Okay. What is a section drawing?
It's cut through of a building.
What is an elevational drawing?
Front, side, rear, side, like profile of the building floor.
I just fucking realised something. I've got a different set of questions for architecture professionals and students.
But I'm not actually an architect.
It doesn't matter, mate. You went to architecture school, so that's it. These are your questions. You ready? These are harder for you guys. Okay. What is the difference between axonometric and isometric?
It's just different angles. ISO is like 45 degrees, I think. Axon is obviously not.
I'll give you that. That's good. Yeah. Okay. So name the big 4, and these are the big 4 modernists.
Oh, no idea.
I'll start you with one. Walter Gropius.
Walter Gropius. No. None of them.
Come on.
It's been years, man.
Modernists. Come on.
No, none come to mind. Absolutely.
Okay. The answer to that one is Walter Gropius, Mies van der Rohe, Le Corbusier, and J.A.P. Oud. Okay. What period of year did neoclassical architecture emerge?
Again, no idea.
Do you know this one? Who designed the Sagrada da Familia?
No idea.
When did you leave this profession?
The moment I left uni.
Okay. Okay, last two. What substance is the source of the most carbon emissions in the construction industry?
Concrete?
Close.
Cement.
Yep. There you go. Name, last one. Name as many architectural styles as you can. Go.
Neoclassical. Modernism. I can't remember any others. Can't remember any others.
Come on. Time is up. 3.
No.
Time's up. Time. What?
Brutalism.
Brutalism.
No.
No, I'm not giving you that. Time's up. What is a sectional drawing?
This is like sort of like a cross-section sort of drawing design of a building.
What's a cross section?
So you got a 3D view of a building, and it's sort of basically be like, so you've got like the wall there, maybe it's like sort of from there into there, it's sort of showing, maybe it's showing sort of one part of the building.
Okay. What is an elevational drawing?
Is that sort of bird's eye view of the building? So
You can't ask me.
no, yeah. So I think an elevation sort of top down looking into the building per se, and maybe the cross sections sort of coming at it from a side angle.
Okay. What is a plan drawing then?
Is that sort of like the full holistic?
You're asking me again.
I'm gonna say that's sort of like the full holistic sort of view of the building.
Okay. How long does it take to become an architect?
Well, I've got a friend who's just finished a surveying degree. So I want to say between 5 and 6 years.
Your turn. Ready?
Right.
What is a sectional drawing?
I think you have an overall drawing, then you zoom into a certain part of that drawing that's in more detail.
Good question. Good answer. And good question. Why not? What is an elevational drawing?
So it's a different view rather than like a top-down plan. You'd be looking at it from the side, and you get the measurements, and you can see it from a different aspect.
What is a plan drawing?
A plan drawing. Yeah, just something, a plan of a building or something like that.
What is a plan of a building?
So including the measurements of each room, where.
So is that like a written out thing, or is it a drawing? Because I said it's a drawing. So what would that drawing look like?
You got that square paper with all the measurements on it.
Okay, yeah, good answer. What does CAD stand for? CAD.
I used it in school, I think. Isn't it some sort of software? So I'd say computer architect design.
Name as many famous architects as you can. Go.
I don't think I know any, if I'm honest.
Yes.
You? Are you famous? How many subscribers have you got? Are you famous?
Say Hamza Shaikh.
Hamza Shaikh.
We'll edit that so it's just, yeah. Okay, perfect. Well done, yeah. Okay, well, amazing.